English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is essential for being a respectful traveler.
Yes, today we're talking about travel rules and etiquette.
Every country has its own customs and expectations.
What's polite in one place might be rude in another.
Questions like,
What should I know before visiting this country?
are there any cultural taboos?
How do people greet each other here?
What's the tipping etiquette?
After today, you'll be able to travel respectfully anywhere.
Let's start with the most important rule.
Research before you go.
Learn about the culture, customs, and basic rules.
It shows respect and helps you avoid mistakes.
Before I travel, I always read about local customs.
It's important to know what's appropriate.
I don't want to accidentally offend anyone.
Repeat. Before I travel, I always read about local customs. It's important to know what's appropriate. I don't want to accidentally offend anyone.
Now, let's have a conversation about travel etiquette.
Emma, do you research etiquette before you travel?
Always. I want to be respectful and not stand out as a rude tourist.
Same. I remember learning that in Japan, you shouldn't tip.
Yes, and in Thailand, never touch someone's head.
These small things make a big difference.
Great start. Now, let's talk about greeting etiquette.
Greetings vary widely around the world.
In the US and UK, a handshake is common.
In Japan, bowing is traditional.
In France, people kiss on both cheeks.
In India, pressing palms together with a slight bow is respectful.
In the Middle East, men may greet each other with a hug.
Repeat. In the US and UK, a handshake is common. In Japan, bowing is traditional. In France, people kiss on both cheeks. In India, pressing palms together with a slight bow is respectful. In the Middle East, men may greet each other with a hug.
You can ask, how do people greet each other here?
Is it appropriate to shake hands?
Should I bow?
Do men and women greet each other differently? Repeat. How do people greet each other here? Is it appropriate to shake hands? Should I bow? Do men and women greet each other differently?
Let's practice asking about greetings.
I'm visiting Japan next month. How should I greet people?
A slight bow is traditional. Handshakes are also okay, but bowing shows respect.
Good to know. I'll practice my bow.
Simple respect goes a long way. Now let's talk about dress code etiquette.
What you wear matters in many places.
In many temples and religious sites, cover your shoulders and knees.
In some countries, women should cover their hair.
In conservative countries, avoid wearing revealing clothes.
In business settings, formal dress is expected.
Even in casual places, it's polite to dress neatly.
Repeat. In many temples and religious sites, cover your shoulders and knees. In some countries, women should cover their hair. In conservative countries, avoid wearing revealing clothes. In business settings, formal dress is expected. Even in casual places, it's polite to dress neatly.
You can ask, what should I wear when visiting religious sites?
Is there a dress code I should know about?
What's appropriate for everyday wear?
Should women cover their heads? Repeat. What should I wear when visiting religious sites? Is there a dress code I should know about? What's appropriate for everyday wear? Should women cover their heads?
Let's practice asking about dress code.
I'm planning to visit a temple in Thailand. What should I wear?
Cover your shoulders and knees and remove your shoes before entering.
Got it. I'll bring a scarf to cover up.
Always check before visiting religious sites. Now let's talk about dining etiquette.
Table manners vary greatly.
In Japan, it's polite to slurp noodles.
In China, don't stick chopsticks upright in your rice.
In Italy, don't ask for extra cheese on seafood pasta.
In France, keep your hands on the table, not in your lap.
In the Middle East, eat with your right hand only.
Repeat. In Japan, it's polite to slurp noodles. In China, don't stick chopsticks upright in your rice. In Italy, don't ask for extra cheese on seafood pasta. In France, keep your hands on the table, not in your lap. In the Middle East, eat with your right hand only.
You can ask, what are the dining customs here?
Are there any rules about chopsticks?
Is it okay to leave food on my plate?
Should I wait for everyone to be served? Repeat. What are the dining customs here? Are there any rules about chopsticks? Is it okay to leave food on my plate? Should I wait for everyone to be served?
Let's practice asking about dining etiquette.
I'm going to a dinner in Japan. Any tips?
Don't pass food from chopstick to chopstick. It reminds people of funerals, and it's okay to slurp noodles.
Good to know. I'll be careful.
Small details matter. Now, let's talk about tipping etiquette.
Tipping rules are very different around the world.
In the US, tipping is expected, 15 to 20% at restaurants.
In Japan, tipping can be considered rude.
In Europe, service is often included, but rounding up is nice.
In some countries, a small tip is appreciated but not required.
In Australia, tipping isn't expected, but it's okay for great service.
In the US, tipping is expected, 15 to 20% at restaurants. In Japan, tipping can be considered rude. In Europe, service is often included, but rounding up is nice. In some countries, a small tip is appreciated, but not required. In Australia, tipping isn't expected, but it's okay for great service.
You can ask,
What's the tipping etiquette here?
is service included in the bill?
Do people tip taxi drivers?
How much should I tip at restaurants?
What's the tipping etiquette here? Is service included in the bill? Do people tip taxi drivers? How much should I tip at restaurants?
Let's practice asking about tipping.
I'm going to a restaurant in New York. How much should I tip?
About 18 to 20% is standard for good service.
And in Japan, I've heard tipping is different.
Yes, don't tip in Japan. It can be seen as rude. Know before you go. Now, let's talk about public behavior etiquette.
How you act in public matters.
In Japan, it's rude to talk loudly on trains.
In many countries, queuing or waiting in line is taken seriously.
In some cultures, public displays of affection are frowned upon.
In others, it's important to remove your shoes before entering a home.
In many places, pointing at people is considered rude.
In Japan, it's rude to talk loudly on trains. In many countries, queuing or waiting in line is taken seriously.
In some cultures, public displays of affection are frowned upon.
In others, it's important to remove your shoes before entering a home.
In many places, pointing at people is considered rude. You can ask,
Are there any public behaviors I should avoid?
is it okay to show affection in public?
Do people queue here?
Should I remove my shoes indoors?
Are there any public behaviors I should avoid?
Is it okay to show affection in public?
Do people queue here?
Should I remove my shoes indoors? Let's practice asking about public behavior.
I'm visiting a friend's home in Turkey. Any tips?
Definitely remove your shoes at the door, and it's polite to compliment the home.
Thanks for the tip. I'll remember that.
Small gestures mean a lot. Now, let's talk about photography etiquette.
Taking photos is part of travel, but be respectful.
Always ask before taking someone's photo.
In some places, photos aren't allowed inside temples.
Don't use flash in museums or sensitive areas.
Some cultures believe photos capture your soul. Be sensitive.
Respect no photography signs.
Always ask before taking someone's photo. In some places, photos aren't allowed inside temples. Don't use flash in museums or sensitive areas. Some cultures believe photos capture your soul. Be sensitive. Respect no photography signs.
You can ask,
Can I take photos here?
is it okay to photograph people?
Any rules about photography I should know?
Is flash allowed?
Can I take photos here?
Is it okay to photograph people?
Any rules about photography I should know?
Is flash allowed? Let's practice asking about photography.
This temple is beautiful. Can I take photos?
Inside, no photos allowed, but outside is fine.
Good to know. I'll enjoy the view without my camera.
Always respect the rules. Now, let's talk about gift-giving etiquette.
Giving gifts can be a lovely gesture, but rules vary.
In Japan, gifts are wrapped beautifully and presented with both hands.
In China, avoid giving clocks. They symbolize death.
In the Middle East, don't give alcohol unless you know it's welcome.
In some cultures, it's polite to refuse a gift once before accepting.
Bringing a small gift from your home country is always appreciated.
In Japan, gifts are wrapped beautifully and presented with both hands. In China, avoid giving clocks. They symbolize death. In the Middle East, don't give alcohol unless you know it's welcome. In some cultures, it's polite to refuse a gift once before accepting. Bringing a small gift from your home country is always appreciated.
You can ask,
Are there any gift-giving customs I should know?
what's appropriate to bring as a gift?
Should I wrap it in a certain color?
How do I present a gift politely?
Are there any gift-giving customs I should know?
What's appropriate to bring as a gift?
Should I wrap it in a certain color?
How do I present a gift politely? Let's practice asking about gifts.
I'm visiting a family in Japan. Should I bring a gift?
Yes, it's a lovely gesture. Bring something small and wrap it nicely.
Any color to avoid?
White is for funerals, so avoid white wrapping. Thoughtful details matter. Now, let's learn some important vocabulary for travel rules and etiquette. This time, we'll put each word in a sentence to help you remember.
Etiquette, the polite way to behave. It's important to learn the local etiquette before you travel.
Custom, a traditional way of behaving. Bowing is a Japanese custom.
Taboo, something forbidden or unacceptable. In some cultures, pointing is taboo.
Protocol, official rules of behavior. There's a strict protocol for meeting royalty.
Appropriate, suitable or right. Is it appropriate to tip here?
Inappropriate, not suitable. Wearing shorts in a temple is inappropriate.
Respectful, showing respect. It's respectful to learn a few words of the local language.
Offensive, causing anger or upset. Some gestures are offensive in other cultures.
Conservative, traditional, not accepting of modern behavior. Dress conservatively in this country.
Modest, not showing too much skin. Modest clothing is required at religious sites.
Greeting, the way you say hello. A handshake is a common greeting.
Gesture, a movement that communicates something. A thumbs up is a positive gesture in many cultures.
Queue, a line of people waiting. In England, people queue politely.
Tipping, giving extra money for service. Tipping is expected in the U.S.
Service charge, an amount added to the bill. The service charge is included, so no need to tip.
Dress code, rules about what to wear. The restaurant has a formal dress code.
Religious site, a place of worship. Be respectful when visiting religious sites.
Cultural sensitivity, being aware and respectful of other cultures. Traveling requires cultural sensitivity.
Local customs, traditions of a place. Learn about local customs to avoid mistakes.
Great vocabulary. These words will help you navigate travel etiquette. Now, let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. In my country is different.
Correct. In my country, it's different.
Mistake number 2. I don't know the customs here.
This is correct, but make sure to learn them.
Mistake number 3. Is rude to tip?
Correct. Is it rude to tip? Or is tipping considered rude?
Mistake number 4. What I should wear.
Correct. What should I wear? Let's practice. In my country, it's different. I don't know the local customs. Is it rude to tip here? What should I wear to the temple?
Perfect.
Now, here are some idioms about rules and behavior.
When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Adapt to local customs. I know it's different from home, but when in Rome, do as the Romans do.
To step on someone's toes. To offend someone. I don't want to step on anyone's toes with my ignorance.
To break the ice. To start a conversation in a social situation. Asking about local customs is a good way to break the ice.
To go with the flow. To adapt to what's happening. I just go with the flow and follow what locals do.
To be out of line. To behave inappropriately. I realized my comment was out of line in this culture.
Repeat. When in Rome, step on someone's toes. Break the ice. Go with the flow. Out of line.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned about greeting etiquette.
Handshakes, bows, cheek kisses.
We learned about dress code.
Covering up at religious sites, dressing appropriately.
We learned about dining etiquette.
Chopstick rules, table manners, eating with right hand.
We learned about tipping.
Different rules in different countries.
We learned about public behavior.
Noise levels, queuing, removing shoes.
We learned about photography.
Asking permission, no flash rules.
We learned about gift giving.
Appropriate gifts, wrapping, presenting.
We learned important vocabulary with example sentences.
And we fixed some common mistakes.
That's everything you need for travel rules and etiquette.
Here's your challenge for today.
Think of a country you'd like to visit.
Research one etiquette rule for that country.
In Japan, it's polite to bow when greeting people.
In Thailand, don't touch anyone's head. It's considered sacred.
Practice saying it out loud.
Now go to the comments.
Tell us about an etiquette rule in your country.
What should visitors know to be respectful?
For example, in my country, we take off our shoes before entering a home.
That's common in many places.
Or, in my culture, it's polite to refuse food once before accepting.
Interesting. Good to know.
Share your cultural etiquette with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.